Hello everyone, in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can easily create Instagram business page on your mobile phone. By following the few simple steps that I show you, now you'll be able to create Instagram business page very easily. So make sure to watch the video till the end so you don't make any mistakes. By saying that, let's start the video. At first, go to your home screen and tap on the Instagram app icon. And tap on your profile picture, which is located in the bottom right corner right here, and go to the menu bar or tap on this three horizontal line which is located in the top right corner, and this type of interface will be shown. And scroll down. Here in the section of for professionals, you can see the option of account type and tools. Tap on that and tap on switch to professional account and tap on continue, and again tap on continue, and again tap on continue. Now choose any option that describes you best. I'll choose blogger. And if you want to display your business on your profile, then tap on this button and tap on done, and tap on business and tap on next, and tap on next. And if you want to add your mobile number in your profile, then you can add one, but I'll just skip it for now. And tap on next and tap on skip. If you want to connect your Instagram account to your Facebook, then you can tap on log into Facebook, but I'll skip it for now. And for now, tap on this cross icon. Now we have successfully created our business account. So my friend, that's it. If you find this video helpful, even 1%, consider subscribing and leave a like. I'll be back with another problem solving video like this. Thanks for watching.